Welcome to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into how to create a stunning header for your WordPress site using Elementor. Your header is the first thing visitors see, so it's crucial for making a great impression. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about what a header is. A header is the top section of your website that usually remains consistent across different pages. It's where you'll place elements like your logo, navigation menu, and any call to action buttons. A well-designed header can make your site stand out. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a custom header with Elementor. Step 1. Install and activate Elementor. If you haven't installed Elementor yet, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click Add New. Search for Elementor, click Install Now, and then activate the plugin. For advanced features, consider Elementor Pro. It includes the Theme Builder for more customization options, but it does require a subscription. If you're using the free version, don't worry, there's another option. You can use the free plugin Elementor header, footer, and blocks. To install it, go to Plugins, Add New, search for the plugin, click Install Now, and then activate. Step 2. Create a new header template. Go to Appearance, Elementor, Header, Footer, and Builder in your WordPress dashboard. Click Add New to start a new template. Give it a title. This is just for your reference. And choose Header as the template type. Save your changes by clicking Publish. Step 3. Set display conditions. Now you need to set where your header will appear. Choose from options like entire site, specific pages, or categories. For a global header, select entire site. Click Update to apply these settings. Step 4. Design your header using Elementor. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. Here you can use drag and drop widgets to design your header. Some common widgets include site logo, navigation menu, site title, button, and social icons. Customize each widget's design. Adjust the layout, style, typography, colors, and more. Use Elementor's responsive settings to make sure your header looks great on all devices. Adjust padding, margins, and font sizes as needed. Step 5. Publish your header. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Publish. Ensure your display conditions are correct. If you need to tweak them, go back to the header, footer, and block section and modify the template settings. Click Save and Close to finalize. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a header for your WordPress site using Elementor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips from Truehost Academy. Thanks for watching.